Hi, friends. I'm going to read the book for you, our book of the week that you should all have, which is Hot Bunny. Actually, it's Hot Bunny Explores the Forest. And this is a wild bunny that lives in the forest. And let's see, this book was written by Susan B. Neuman. So let's see what this bunny is going to be up to in this book. Probably going to do a lot of hopping, right, in the Hop Bunny book, because, yeah, bunnies do hop. Maybe we'll try to learn the bunny hop this week. So if you open to the first page here, it goes, Hop Bunny, Explore the Forest by Susan B. Neuman. Bet there's going to be some beautiful pictures in here. So we're going to learn a lot of new words this week in the book. Here's our vocabulary tree. Words in the forest. Which animals? What kind of animals do we see in the forest? We'll see bunny, deer, squirrel, bug, snake, and turkey. And I bet we're going to see all these animals in this book. And I guess we'll see different kinds of plants in the book. Plants like a tree, a leaf, fern, and flowers. Just like we're seeing now outside. Lots of flowers, right? Since it's spring. And you know what this word is? It says bunny, and here's the bunny, and he certainly is hopping, just like it says on the front of our book, Hop Bunny. And there he is. He's hopping away through the forest, or through the flowers. And down here it says, Hop Bunny. So let's turn to the next page. Oh, look at the cute bunny. Gee, I wonder what he's looking at. What's he going to see in the forest? So down here it says, in the forest. A bunny can see many things. So probably like we saw on this first page, all these words, I'm thinking that that's what the bunny's going to see in this forest. What do you think? He's looking at something right now. I wonder what it is. Let's turn the page and find out. Hop, bunny, hop. Oh my goodness, look at he saw another bunny. There's two bunnies. So he must have saw another bunny, and they're both going to go hop, hop, hop through the forest. So it says hop, hop, hop. 3 words. Hop, hop, hop. All the same word, but it's 3 times. Hop, hop, hop. Oh, let's see what they see now. Whoa, it says big trees stand tall. And this says trees, and yes, wow, look how tall these trees are. They go cover, they can't even make the whole page. We only see probably half the tree, probably goes up even taller, way up here, these trees. Camera couldn't get in the whole trees, they are so tall. And this says trees. And on this page, it says other slide down. So it's saying other trees. Sometimes the trees get so big, and when they get old, and if there might be a storm, they fall down on the ground. And you know what's on top of these trees? I wonder if it's going to tell us in the book, but I'll tell you now, they're ferns. And probably some moss too. But look at all the trees that fell down. This one here, and there's a tree here, and here, and here, and here. Wow. Oh, look at this one is leaning up kind of on another tree too. So these trees all fall down in the forest. Sometimes they get old, and that's what happens. Yeah, and that's what I said on this page. Remember I was saying, I bet they're going to say there's ferns on these leaves. That's what they are, and that's what it says. There are leaves and ferns. And here's the leaves. You see? And this says ferns. And here's the ferns. And we saw some ferns on those trees, I believe. They look like they're ferns. Right here. Oh, and you know what this word says? What does the bunny see? Flowers. There are tiny flowers. See all the flowers, and even back here you can see little flowers. I bet they smell really nice. Do you like to smell flowers? I love springtime because you can smell lots of flowers in the spring. And let's turn to this page. What is this word again? 3 times. Hop, hop, hop. And that bunny is hopping. Look at him go. Hop, 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 hop. Probably hopping pretty fast too. Whoa, look at on this page. What does the bunny see now in the forest? Called red deer. There's all different kinds of deer, and I guess this type of deer is called red deer. Their skin is probably like a reddish brownish color. And it says deer dance through the woods. So yeah, they kind of do a deer dance as they're going through the woods. And you think the deer are looking at the bunny? Maybe the bunny's looking at the deer and the deer are looking at the bunny. They're looking at something, right? I wonder what those deer see. Probably the bunny looking at the deer. Let's see what else we see in the woods. Squirrel scamper. Look at that squirrel. And this squirrel is called a red squirrel. Around us, we usually see gray squirrels, just like in our song, Gray Squirrel. Gray squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Right? This we could sing red squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Crinkle up your funny nose, hold a nut between your toes. Red squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Just like our song, Gray Squirrel. And look what else the squirrel sees. This is a bug, an insect that's called a praying mantis. Now, why do you think it's called a praying mantis? Look at his hands. Does it seem like his well, not hands, but his bug legs, the ends? It looks like he's praying, right? That's probably a good name for it, a praying mantis. And look how long the praying mantis is. And it says bugs are busy. Wonder what he's busy doing. And he must be looking at the rabbit too, right? Because he's looking right at you now. But he's looking at something. He sees something climbing that stick. Bugs are busy. So I wonder what the rabbit sees now on the next page, or the bunny. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm recording. That's okay. A green snake. Snakes slither. Sorry about that. Someone shut the light off on me. Green snake. So the bunny sees a green snake slithering. Oh my goodness, and look what else. Do you know what animal this is? Do you remember the words we read in the beginning here? In the beginning of the book? Of the animals we're going to see. It was listed here. Who knows what kind of animal this is? It's a bird. But what is it? You see it a lot at Thanksgiving going gobble, gobble, gobble. It's a wild turkey. That says wild turkeys. Wild turkeys trot. So they're saying snakes slither in the forest and wild turkeys trot, where they're going through the forest trotting. And guess what this word is down here again? What's this book? What do the bunnies do? Bunnies hop, hop, hop. And look at that. Bunny looks like he's hopping right towards you. Hop, 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 hop. So now this says, your turn. Tell a story about a bunny. Pick one picture in each row, then tell your story. So let's see. In this row, remember we saw tall trees and ferns. And do you remember what this is? They smell so nice, flowers. So you think about a story that you could tell about a tree or the fern or the flowers, just like maybe like the bunny would tell a story about what he saw. Remember we thinking, what does the bunny see? And he saw deer and turkey and a red squirrel. What animals does it see? And then what water does it see? Oh, we didn't talk about this. Waterfall. And I love the sound of waterfall. Did you ever go to waterfall and you hear the water running and hitting the rocks? Sounds so nice and peaceful. And also here's a stream too. So he did see a stream and a waterfall. We have the last page up, and there's our bunny. Now where is he looking? He's not looking at you. He's looking at something over there. Wonder what he sees now. Well, that's our story for this week. Hot bunny. You enjoyed it. Bye, friends.